Do you want to get started making money online, but you haven't found out how yet? If so, you've come to the right place. For today, I will be showing you several different apps that you can use to start making some money online right after watching this video. Just before I show you that, however, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you would like to see more of it, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of my new videos that will follow, click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video has been uploaded. With that said, let's get to the actual video. So, in today's video, we will be going over several different apps. Now, the thing is, I will show you both active and passive income ways. In other words, I will show you two apps that will get you paid by literally doing nothing, and a site that will pay you some really good money for just watching videos. In this way, you'll be able to maximize your earnings by utilizing both the passive and active income streams. Without further ado, here is the first app I will be showing you today. It's called ScreenLift over at their site screenlift.io. How this app works and how it gets you paid, you can see right away when you come on their homepage. You first off customize your first screen. Personalize your first screen with our many unique features. This is the first app I've seen myself that pays you in this fashion, so it's quite unique in that, definitely. From there, you'll just use your phone like you normally do every single day, and you'll get paid. The amount depends on how much you use your phone, and I imagine that many of you do it a lot. Earn lifts each time you open your phone and cash out for real money. So you will basically earn these lifts, and then you exchange them for real money. As simple as that. This is, in my opinion, a fantastic app to use to get paid if you either don't want to or don't have the time to invest into it. You just leave it be, use your phone as usual, and it's awesome that by using this app, you get paid for doing something that you do daily regardless. Down here, you have some testimonials that you can read if you want to in order to see what people are saying about this app. You can also check out the reviews on Google Play as well. And as you can see, it has a 3.7-star review on here, which is pretty decent. Not anything amazing, but it's not bad either. Now, something that's a bit of a downside with this app is that it doesn't seem to be available for iOS at the moment. That may change in the future, but for now you just have the Android version and that's it. As far as payment goes, you do indeed get paid in PayPal, which I know from my comments that many of you love. So PayPal is definitely available with this app. The second app I'll be going over today that will pay you in passive income is called SlideJoy over at GetSlideJoy.com. This app works in an entirely different way compared to the previous one, which is shown right here. It will essentially show you advertisements. Advertisers pay this app in order to reach as many people as they can and advertise whatever product or service it may be. SlideJoy will then give part of that money to people like yourself. The way it will work on your phone is quite simple. By sliding left, it will show you information about what's being advertised. By sliding up, it will show you more ads. And by sliding right, you will go right to your home screen. In essence, how much you get paid depends on how often you unlock your phone, because each time you do, you will view the advertisements. If you use your phone a lot, then this is perfect, because that means you'll be unlocking it more often and thus getting paid more often. Now, as you can see from these examples below, your screen will look quite nice. You won't be spammed with like a million ads with your phone screen looking like an absolute mess. It looks very, very nice, actually. Below this, you can see some testimonials about what people have been saying about this. The fact that they've been featured in CNBC, Business Insider, and other huge companies shows you that this is a legit app that will pay you in real cash. And speaking of payment, just below you can see how you actually get paid. First and foremost, you have PayPal, the option that I think the majority of you will choose, but you can also donate the money that you earn and help out other people as well, which I think is really nice. Just below that, on the bottom of this page, you can see that it's available on Google Play. Once again, just like with the previous app, sadly, there is no iOS version available as of now. However, I think that they make up for that with the very, very decent reviews they have on here and the sheer amount of them. They have over 100,000 reviews, guys, so this is above all a popular app. And popular apps, simply put, can't be scamming people and still have a rating of 3.7 stars, as is seen below. With all that said and done, guys, I want you to keep something in mind. These two apps won't make you rich, so don't have unrealistic expectations because you aren't doing anything and you're getting paid for free. Hence, the money that you make isn't life-changing. And so I have a bonus site for you that will pay you a bit more, but you will have to do some extra work, so it's not money in passive income. If you, however, happen to have some extra time on your hands, I highly recommend that you keep watching. Anyway, the site in question is called s1.wintub.com. This site's name being quite similar to YouTube isn't a coincidence at all. You'll be able to get paid on here by watching videos. Now, what I really like about the videos is the variety. You won't be spammed with the same ads over and over, but they'll actually show you different types of videos that, believe it or not, actually include movies and TV shows that can be quite interesting and fun to watch. And so making money with this won't be as annoying as is generally the case with similar sites. Furthermore, as it is always the case with these sites, the best thing about watching the videos is that you don't have to watch them. So you can come on here, play one video, and do something else on your PC or phone. Then come back, play another video, and go off doing something else once again. And that is why some of you already know watching videos is one of my favorite ways to make money online. Down here, you can see what I was saying a minute ago. Commercial ads, movies, and TV shows online. It's the perfect way to earn money at WinTub. The fact that you don't have only ads to watch is what makes this site quite unique, and it makes getting paid a lot more fun. However, as you can see to the right of this, you don't get paid by just watching videos. Referring people can be an excellent way to get paid if you don't have too much time to invest into watching all of the videos. And the way you do get paid is once again through PayPal primarily, but other options are available too. Here you can check out their partners, and just below that, you have the Get Started button, which you want to click on in order to sign up to this website. I'll do so myself so I can show you exactly how this looks and how you'll be getting paid. Alright, so this is how the site will look once you log into your brand new account. And as you can see, you got $5 for just signing up, which is awesome. Just below you can see the video you have to watch and the amount of money you get paid. Now, this isn't a huge amount of money, guys, but it does add up once you watch some of these videos. And once again, you don't have to watch them per se, just leave them running, turn off the audio while you're doing whatever, and then come back, play the next video, and so on. Moreover, if you combine this site with the two apps I showed you previously, it will lead to some profits adding up, which is why I highly recommend you use all three of them to get paid. As you've seen, it's for free with no skills required at all. And with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, as always, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my upcoming uploads, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in some of my other videos.